Hey guys, coming at you from Las Vegas, Nevada.
Staying at the Main Street Station Casino Brewery Hotel RV Park.
It's a mouthful. Yeah, it's actually just this parking lot, but we have full hookups, and it's a pretty quick walk.
Down to Fremont Street area.
Yeah, but over just to the hotel where they've got a good restaurant. There's the brewery inside of there, so that's pretty cool. We wanted to do a quick little recap of our week last week because we didn't really do much filming. We were with family in Utah to celebrate Brad's sister's wedding.
I've been working the last month and a half on learning these piano pieces for the wedding, so that was great.
Sounded amazing, absolutely. And Brad and his dad Dale also worked on finishing the inside of our little toaster oven cabinet area. So we've got a little staining to do still, but it's looking really good. Way better than before.
Much better.
So I'll be holding the fort down this week while Brad is flying out to Oregon.
I'm going to PyCon in Portland once again.
Yep, you might remember that from episode 4 last year.
Mm-hmm. Comes
Around once a year. Brad's flying out tomorrow super early in the morning, but we're still going to get out tonight and see some sights.
I'm in my hotel room at the DoubleTree Hotel in Portland, getting ready for PyCon 2017. Really excited. This room is really sweet. I'm on the top floor, overlooking the city. I can see Mount Hood there in the distance. There's the pool down there. I am thrilled to be here. Really looking forward to it.
I'm getting ready to go out to the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. It's about 25 minutes west of Las Vegas. They've got lots of hiking trails out there, and I'm gonna hit the road. So today I am doing the Scenic Loop Drive. It goes all through the park. It's one direction. I am here at the first stop at the Calico Hills. I guess there's some seasonal waterfalls out here. I'm gonna be keeping my eye out for those. This trail is so fun. There's so many steps made out of rocks. It just makes it very pleasant and interesting and different. Well, there's some water dripping, so maybe that's all we're gonna find today. Yesterday was a great day out exploring nature, and so today I got to kind of get back to work. I am working on the next episode, and I've got a bunch of chores I want to get done. Brad gets back tomorrow evening, and so like to get the house picked up And the dogs are getting a bath today. I decided to get out briefly this evening. I'm gonna go check out Banger Brewery on Fremont Street. It's been real, Vegas.
Yeah.
But we are happy to be moving on, getting somewhere a little less crowded, a little more scenic.
Yeah, nice to get back to that finally. It's been a while.
And out of this heat. It was nice at the start, and it's been in the upper 90s, so we're looking for cooler weather.
Heading north.
Heading north.
So check engine light came on again today for the umpteenth time. Once again, it was the P codes for low voltage on both O2 sensors. I found through irv2.com, the RV forums, a lot of people recommended this OME's site, omes-performance.com. And so this guy, with the help of all these other people on the forums, made a whole list of all these different parts on the whole chassis that will work. And he's got a list of O2 sensors that will work. And the part number that our O2 sensors have is not in this list.
Oh, jeez.
So, I think I always kind of had this idea in the back of my mind that, hey, maybe this Gator place didn't really know what they were doing. And Gator is who we took took Fendi to deal with this problem when it first came up.
This was in Minnesota.
It was in Minnesota.
And Gator predominantly works on semis.
Yes, they work on semis.
They were like the only place available to us at the time. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, someone out there might comment and say all these O2 sensors are interchangeable, but I would much rather have ones that definitely say they work on the workhorse chassis.
Yeah, verified by real people in the community. So we got these Bosch sensors. I don't know where I got this part number from, but I had purchased them from Amazon. And they are in the list of verified working sensors, so I'm thinking I'll go ahead and put these in and give them a shot.
Knock on wood, what if that solved all our O2 sensor problems? That'd be amazing!
Yeah, I'm also trying to clean the mass airflow sensor. I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol because I don't have the
professional cleaner stuff for these.
So we are sitting on the roadside just outside of Beatty, Nevada. We spent the night in Amargosa Valley after leaving Las Vegas. We got up early and came to Beatty at lunch. We're gonna get another hour in. It keeps getting cooler the further north we go. Tonopah is our destination for tonight, and it was a good 15 degrees cooler than Amargosa Valley today. So that's pretty big for just a couple hours away. But it is hot here. It's 90 degrees in the RV right now. I kind of always go by if the dogs are panting. That's how I know if it's getting really bad, and they're doing pretty good, so it's a good sign. It's almost lunchtime, so we're getting on the road real soon. So we're at the intersection of Highway 6 and Highway 773. We're in western Nevada, heading to Mono Lake.
We just kind of stumbled upon this spot. We were looking for a spot to pull over with good internet.
This was perfect. We actually tried a spot maybe 10 or 15 miles back in this kind of ghost town area that was actually very terrifying and creepy, so we didn't stay there. But yeah, we've got pretty strong Verizon signal, enough for him to do...
Strong enough for meetings, video meetings.
Video meetings, yeah. We've got the snow-covered Sierras behind us. They're beautiful. We've kind of got mountains in every direction, really. We stayed last night in Tonopah, and they do allow camping at that rest stop. What's great is they have fresh water and a dump station there, too.
Yeah, that rest area is fantastic.
Yeah.
Miller's Rest Area.
Yeah, Miller's Rest Area, and they allow free overnight camping, but I think it's limited to one night.
Yeah, I think technically they even say 18 or...
Yeah, 18 hours max.
Is that it? 18 hours max? Yeah, I think it's 18 hours.
Yeah. Woo!
Good?
That's great, babe. Pure gold.
Good.